morning, my student. I hope you all are fine and safe. Welcome to our computer class. So today we are going to start our chapter number 4, Tabulation in Word 2016. Tabulation in Word 2016. Okay. So let's start with the introduction. Okay. Tabulation means table in computer. Okay. Table are used for the variety of purposes like communication, research, and for handwritten notes, etc. Okay, we can easily create table in MS Word 2016. Okay, we can easily create table in MS Word 2016. Tables are important because it contain our data and information. Okay, why the table is important? Because it contain our data and information. Okay, now table consists of horizontal rows and vertical columns. Okay, it have a horizontal rows and vertical column. Okay, a cell is formed with the interaction of rows and columns. Okay, the cell is formed with the interaction of rows and columns. Okay, now we will see how to create a table in MS Word. Okay, first we will see how to create a table in MS Word. Now there are two ways to create a table in your MS Word in your document. Okay, there are two ways to create a table in your document. Which one they are? With table button and with insert button. Okay, with table button and with insert table. Let's see first with table button how we can create a table. Okay, the first step is click on insert tab. First you have to open your MS Word. Okay, when you open your MS Word, you will get an option. Okay, at the top you will get one option of insert. Okay, you have to click on the insert tab. Okay, when you click on insert tab, second step, click on table option from table group. Okay, when you click on the insert tab, just the insert tab down, आपको क्या मिलेगा? Option of table option. Okay, you have to click on table option. When you click on table option, one small table will appear. Okay, one small table will appear on your screen. Then in the third step, what you have to do? Highlight the numbers of rows and columns you want to insert. Okay, in that table, small rows and column will be there. Okay, you have to highlight. Okay, you have to select how many rows and column you want to insert. Okay, you have to just select that. Suppose if you want to select 4 rows and 2 columns. Okay, if you have selected that, then directly what happen? Your rows and column will get inserted in your blank page. Okay, आपको क्या करना है? वहाँ से number of rows and column select करना है. जितने rows and column आप select करेंगे, highlight करेंगे, उतने क्या होंगे? आपके MS Word में वो insert हो जाएंगे. Okay, this is the first way to create a table. Okay, now next, the second step is with insert table. Okay, the another way is also there. How we can create a table with insert table. Okay, how? Just see. First step is to click on insert tab. First you have to click on the insert tab. Okay, when you click on the insert tab, then on table option. Okay, first you have to click on insert tab and then one option will come of table. Okay, you have to click on table option. Okay, then in the second step, click on insert table option. When you click on the table option, one menu will appear on the screen. Okay, जब आप table option पे click करेंगे तो एक menu आएगा screen पर. In that the option will be there of insert table option. उसमें एक option रहेगा insert table option. You have to click on insert table option. When you click on the insert table option, in the third step, in insert table dialog box, specify the number of rows and columns. Okay, then what you have to do? One dialog box will be appear. Okay, dialog box आएगा, उसमें आपको क्या करना है? You have to specify the number of rows and column. Okay, suppose you have put the number of rows 4 and number of column 2. ठीक है, जैसे आपको वहाँ पे लिखा है number of rows आपको कितने चाहिए? 4 and number of column 2. Okay, you have specified the number and then in the first step you have to click on OK button. Okay, and in the last you have to click on OK button. When you click on the OK button, the number of rows and column or with how many you want that will appear on your screen. Okay, वो आपके क्या हो जाएंगे? MS Word में show होना शुरू हो जाएंगे. Clear all of you? This is the two way to create a table with table button and Now let's see how to insert rows and column. Okay, for inserting rows and column, few steps are there. See, first, step 1, click on the cell where you want to insert new blank rows or column. First you have to click on the in the cell, okay, means in the blank space where you want to insert your new blank rows or column. Okay, when you click on your blank space for inserting new blank rows or column, in the second step click on layout button. Okay, then in the second step what you have to do, you have to click on layout tab. Okay, the layout tab, layout option will be there at the top of your screen in the corner. Okay, you have to click on layout tab. आपको क्या करना है, layout tab पे click करना है. Then in the third step, click on the insert above or insert below. When you click on the layout tab, then another option will come of insert above or insert below. ठीक है, आपको क्या करना है, या तो insert above choose करना है या तो insert below. Okay, if you choose insert above, the rows and column will get insert above and above, means ऊपर ऊपर क्या होंगे, rows and column insert होते जाएंगे. And if you select insert below, the rows and column will get insert below and below. ठीक है, मतलब वो नीचे नीचे क्या होंगे, rows and columns अपने आप आते जाएंगे. Okay, and empty rows and column get inserted, and in this way how much rows and column you want you can insert. Okay, understood? Yes, so in this way we can insert rows and column in our MS Word. Now let's see how to delete rows and column. Suppose if you want to delete some unwanted rows and columns, okay, so how you can delete from there? Let's see. First step is select the rows or column which you want to delete. In the first step what you have to do, you have to select which row or column you want to delete. Okay, you have to first select that. After selecting that, in the second step, right click the mouse. You have to right click the mouse. जो mouse का right click right button होता है उससे हमें क्या करना है, click करना है. You have to right click the mouse. Okay, when you right click on the mouse, menu will appear. Okay, one menu will appear. Okay, then in the third step, select the rows or column option. In that menu, one option will be there of deleting rows or column. Okay, you have to select delete row or column option. When you select delete row or column option, and then you have to click on OK button, and in the last you have to click on the OK button. In this way you can delete your rows and columns. Okay, इस तरह से हम क्या कर सकते हैं, हमारे rows and columns को delete कर सकते हैं. Okay student, I hope you all understood about the creating a table. Okay, the two ways to create a table, with table button and with insert table. Okay, and inserting rows and column. Okay, and deleting rows and column. Now we will see practically how we can create a table, insert rows and column, and delete the rows and column from our MS Word. Now we will see how to create a table in MS Word. First, click on MS Word. When we click on MS Word, we will get an option of insert. Click on insert and then on table. When you click on table, you can select how many rows and column you want to make. Okay, this way. In this way, you can make the rows and columns. Okay. Now the second option is also there to create a table. Again, click on insert. Okay, and then table. Here you will get the option of insert table. When you click on insert table, here you can enter the number of column, how many number of column you want. Suppose I am taking 6 and the number of rows 4. Okay, and then click on OK. In this way you can also create a table. Okay, now we will see how to insert rows and columns. Okay, first click on layout. When you click on layout, here you will get the option of insert above. When you click on insert above, like this, the rows will get create. Okay, you can see this, na? Okay, like this the rows will get insert. Okay, now for deleting the rows and columns. Okay, if you want to delete the rows and columns, okay, click on the column. Okay, right click here and then you will get the option of delete cell. Okay, when you click on delete cell, you will get here option delete entire row. Click on entire row and then on OK. In this way the rows will get delete. Okay, see again, Here click on delete cell and then delete entire row and then on OK. Okay, in this way you can delete the rows. I hope student you all understood how to create tables and inserting rows and columns. Thank you. Have a nice day.